A very good morning to all my dear students. As we know, in your previous class you have studied about all the 26 alphabets from A to Z. And today we are going to learn something new about alphabet A. This A alphabet has A sound. This is called A. The phonic sound of alphabet A is A. This is A. For example, the word starts from A. The sounds come out like Almira, airplane, ant, axe, apple, arrow, alligator, ambulance. You must have seen ambulance nowadays walking on the running on the streets and all, taking coronavirus victims in that. So you must have seen ambulance. The word starts from a ambulance. So let's repeat with me all the sounds which starting from A alphabet. That is aeroplane, ant, Almira, axe, apple, arrow. So the sound of A as a phonic sound comes as A. So this is A. So now let's learn how to write A. So first of all, you have to give the slanting line and let's make a circle and again a curve that comes as a A. Let's rewrite A. A. So let me write a bigger for you so that you can easily understand the concept. A. A says Almira. A says airplane. A says apple. A says arrow. And A says ant. I hope you will all revise this sound and let me know you like it or not. Thank you and have a nice day.